Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Attorney Dan Nguyen. So, in this part 2 video, I'm going to show you how to put the information from your LLC a PDF form into the California Secretary of State website. Again, this is to show you how you can file your own LLC online without an attorney. Of course, I am an attorney, but I'm not your attorney. But I wanted to share this process with you so you know how to do it. Okay. So we're at the Secretary of State website here. This is California. We're going to go to business here. Okay, we're going to go to formations file online. Oops, that's corporations. We want to do LLC. So let's see, filing tips, termination. Let's see, file. No, all right, where is it? Okay, okay. So we're going to go to form samples and fees. All right, and we're going to go to locate your form. Right here, and remember, it's the LLC one, so we're going to do this one. Click this one, file online. Okay, just accept this, $75 plus $5 certification fee. We're going to start. Okay, and accept. Okay, so just to be pretty clear, we're going to copy and paste. Now, what's different here is that you're just going to put the company name or proposed company name and not the LLC part. So what I'm going to do is here is actually going to do this. Copy right there. Okay, and then just select this one. Okay, all right. So in this example, the LCR exists, so the name of part of words, choose another name. All right, just for the purposes of this, then I'm going to see. I'm just trying to so I can push it through the through the system here. So all right, so looks like this one's available. If you want to, you can. You want to see if your name is available, you can just put your name in here. See if it comes back with a rejection. Okay, but just for the purposes of this video, and I'll show you the process all the way through, this is where we're going to go with forward today. Okay, and if you have a name reservation, go and check this and put your name reservation in this case we don't. All right, and then we're going to put here, so 1 2 3 any street. Okay, so this is, so what's cool about this one is it'll pop up if they find it through their database in this. All right, so but this case you don't have it, so we're just gonna any street, any town, California, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, maybe all right, we're just gonna pick one just for the purposes of putting it forward. All right, initial mailing address. All right, so if this is the same, we're gonna click here. Yes, if you have more information, want more information, go ahead and click here. So let's see if it'll let me through. Okay, so agent for server process. Again, this is this part right here. This is part 3. Okay, so do you have an individual agent or a California registered corporate agent? So individual obviously could be you if you're one of the owners. You want to accept these particular papers on behalf of your company. You have a business address or a home address that you want to use. I personally don't like using a home address, so either you can rent another business address or use a California corporate registered agent service. Okay, so I'll just show you this particular example. Individual, right? Again, John Doe, and then we'll do 1 2 3 street, whatever street this is. Okay. The important thing is if it has to be in the state of California, and you'll notice here that you can't edit this. Okay. Okay, so I'm not using the lookup tool just so for the purposes of this. Okay, just any street. I think this is the one I did. Any town. Next. All right. So this one will be one manager, more than one manager, and all LLC managers. So remember, one manager is like you have two. There are two owners in the LLC. Only one of them is going to be the day-to-day decision maker, and they kind of make decisions on the whole thing. The other one is maybe like the money owner, and they're kind of a silent investor. They're not participating, and they don't have any particular decision-making authority on the data, at least on the day-to-day basis. So you might want to pick that one. This one right here, more than one manager. Maybe there's 3 owners, and maybe there's two people that run the day-to-day, and the third one is a silent partner, right? And so you might want to pick this one. Or you have 3 owners. One owner is the day-to-day, and they hire an outside party, a third party, to be the manager. Okay, so managers don't necessarily have to be the owners all the time. In this case, is if all the LLCs are the members, all the owners participate in the business on a daily basis, make those management type decisions, you would pick this one. Okay. So, I'm just going to pick this one. Okay. And then here's organizer name. So if you're the organizer, you can put JC and then my email at you email at email.com. I'm just making one up here. Email.com. Okay. Future filing date. So some people like want to prepare this, file this in the future. So you can, if you want to file it now, then you don't need a future filing date. If you want to file it like January 1st, if you wanted to, because a lot of people want to file it, get started on the beginning of the new year, then you can do that. But in this example, I'm not going to do this. And I'm just going to hit next. All right, just review this information. If this looks all good, okay, and then you're going to hit next. All right, and you're just going to go hit pay right here, and then you can get submit. All right, and so depending on the processing times, and you can just search California Secretary of State processing time. Usually, you can get this back around 1 or 2 days, business days. Okay, so that's really good. They've gone a long ways. We used to have to file for paper, and so after that, you'll get your you'll get your California LLC set up already. You'll still need to do more things like get your tax ID number, operating agreement, membership certificates, all that other stuff. But this is like gets you on the California Secretary of State website and gets the process started. All right, this is Dan Wynn, helping you get your LLC up and running. If you need help, don't want to do this yourself, you're too busy, or don't want to mess up, reach out to us, and we're happy to help form this for you. Okay, hope we'll talk soon. Bye.